Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Like I said, I wasn't playing when it was stuff to. Girlfriend's calling. Yes. But like I was saying, we got the new diode dynamic lights for the Dodge Charger. They were supposed to be here Wednesday, got delayed. Said it wasn't gonna be here till next Saturday. Double checked last night, said it was gonna be here today, and here it is. And I'm too excited to wait to do it a different day. Alright, first things first. She's on her way home, so clearly she's not here, so I got this entire section to myself with. Now I'm gonna have to get under here. I should have put a paper towel down here or something. And the first light I'm trying to get to, ouch, hit my head, is this light right here, the first door light. Like I said, I've never done anything like this, but trust me, these little dookie yellow lights have been bugging me since I first got the car. And I told myself the lights are the first thing that's gotta go. And all I've been doing is watching videos on how to change them. So I'm sure I got it down packed, but door. Sure I got it down packed, man. Listen, modifications on a budget. And there's spiders in here too, so I hope nothing crawls on me, because if it does, well, you guys are gonna have something real funny to laugh at. So let's see, where am I supposed to be prying this from? Found it. Oh. This light look all burnt out. And these do get hot fast. I'm really doing this right now. I'm actually modifying a car, but not just a car. My car. You go there. I get electrocuted. It is what it is. And then I believe you go there. Should they face the right way? And then pop right back into here. Oh, that was simple enough. Let's see what we talking. Oh, that's nice. I don't know if you guys can see it, but up here, so much better. I know my mother's gonna see this video and like, why you ain't put a little towel down or something? Why are these lights on at the moment? Let me check this out. Ooh! Ooh! They wasn't lying when they said they get hot. Ah, hold on. Ow. Mommy! Oh, they burn so much. Oh, that burn. Oh, man, that burn. Ooh! Finger is baking. I really did burn my fingers. Well, you live and you learn. That's a big lesson I just learned. But beautiful white lights down here. And beautiful white light right here. I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling myself a little bit. I've never done nothing like this before. I'm so happy I'm finally getting this done. And this fell right out. Okay, it's not broke, but come on. Oh boy, this is gonna look so good. Oh. I'm a mechanic. We got 1 and 2. At least I finally get to work on my car. Even though this is maybe something small to you guys, or whatever the case may be, but this is big to me. The little in my eyes, little things matter a lot, and I'm never one to really complain about stuff. Yep. One. Yep. Make sure that's locked in. Let's see what we're talking. So much better. Now that's beautiful. Got the toolkit. Time to get back to work. Now we got these lights, vanity lights on both sides. 4 sets of those. Then we got these, and then the 2 in the back. I believe I got the hardest part out the way. Remember, I'm not a pro at this. I really don't want to break nothing. So this is what it looks like when it gets difficult to work on your car. And this is something so simple and so basic, and I don't want to break this. Oh my God. My man said down and back. Nothing broke. All right, I got the pieces off, but I'll be very honest. I need something with grip. I gotta find some gloves or some tape to like really, it's like reaching up in your nose, trying to pull out that one booger you just can't get a grip of. So on to the next ones. We're gonna get these started. Do I need something smaller? Nope. Just apply pressure. Pop them out, like so. Oh shit. Oop. I ain't gonna hold you. That scared the hell out of me. That shot right at my neck. Is she gonna look pretty when she do this? Or? What'd I do wrong? Oh, there we go. I got the lights facing the wrong way. Oh. Yep, there it goes. Oh, we working. Are you gonna? It's getting cold. How you so forgetful when it comes to me? You're just gonna leave the garage wide open, like it's not freezing outside now. Ah, come on. Thank you. Huh? No, this light's not lighting up. You want to sit in the car? You could have sat in my car. If you don't, you don't want to be near me, fine. Fine. It's cool. Bro, why are you not lighting up? So now I'm going to have to order one light. Still got these 2 lights here. You can't get to these lights, but you can simply just cut them off and you don't have to worry about those. And as bright as these are, you don't even need them anyway. Tiny paws, come here. Baby mechanic in the building. Let's see how good you can grip it to like pull on it.
You can't take this whole gray thing off?
You can, but it's a hassle with the amount of mechanics under it. You can't do the chopstick. No? God damn it. Oh, thanks for trying. It's one of those moments you just gotta get angry and tug on something. That's what I'm gonna do. If this headliner come out, then so be it. Really? We'll do this to you. Because I was legit upset and tired of tussling. Please let the same one come out the same way. And it does. I've been trying to do this for 30 minutes. Long time for me, not for y'all. You're welcome. I'm still disappointed in this one not lighting up. Pushing us. As hard as I was pulling. Trust me, if them lights didn't come out when I didn't put all that tape on there with them gloves, best believe somebody fighting me. Might be you. Let's go. Let's slap you if I can reach you. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, I just went through hell. Literally trying to... This one piece is one short piece and one longer piece. The longer piece would not click in for nothing. I literally had to like take my flathead screwdriver out and like try to pry that open. I don't know if it was too tight or whatever the case may be, it was not fitting. I've been struggling over 30 minutes for this one. Yep. Okay. Well, for one and two. Oh, perfect. Thank you. Perfect. Now I hope I remember how to put that back. There it is. I am too legit to quit. So we got 1, we got 2, 3, 4. We got both of them in the trunk on both sides of the car. Vanity lights. I still have to order one more, unfortunately. And I'll do the glove box a different day. That looks completely different. Like, honestly. Alright, guys. I'm still waiting on the parts. They were supposed to come in today. I don't know what FedEx got going on. But as soon as the new parts come in for the car, we got more videos coming up, new mods. I was not joking. I got a lot in store for this vehicle. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Instagram, it's your boy SWOULO.fit. So